Fundamentals of Organic Electronics Design, Synthesis, Characterization, and Application Crash Course, Tonex Training. Length, 3 days. Organic Electronics Training Course, Crash Course Style, is a 3 days inventive preparing program covering patterns in the present quickly changing electronics industry. Organic Electronics Training will cover various points including flow and cutting-edge show, transistor, photovoltaic, and sensor advancements, ideas, research, items and administrations. Learn about review of present and future adaptable electronics advances. Cutting-edge organic electronics capacity necessities. Organic electronics and the innovation guide. Patterns in electronics including cutting-edge shows, gadgets, transistors, sunlight-based cells. Organic electronics applications and use cases. Learning objectives. Comprehend the fundamental ideas driving organic semiconductors and materials. Distinguish the additional estimation of organic electronics over consumer, customary electronics. Distinguish material classes, upsides and downsides of organic semiconductors. Depict essential gadget designs for organic light-emanating diodes, OLEDs, organic transistors, and organic sunlight-based cells. Depict innovation bottlenecks avoiding the more prominent use and execution. Portray uses of organic electronics in an assortment of fields including social insurance, human-machine interfaces, apply autonomy, cell phones, enlarged reality, computer-generated reality, blended reality, vitality age, and more. Course outline. History, overview, market, applications. Materials, organic semiconductors. Materials, characterization. Related materials with organic electronics devices substrates. Electrodes. Organic field effect transistors, OFETs. Organic light-emitting diodes, OLEDs. Organic photovoltaic devices, OPV. OPV Introduction. OPV Fundamentals. Request more information regarding fundamentals of organic electronics crash course. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.